Okay, so we're back here now, guys, with the next set of the Mikey's Dragon Ball toy collection. Estamos aquí de regreso con el segundo set de los juguetes de colección de Dragon Ball de Mikey. Vamos a comenzar. Let's do it. Ok. Ahora estos están un poquito diferentes porque yo nunca he visto a Goku con este color. I've never seen Goku with this color of his clothes, but we don't discriminate. We buy all the Dragon Ball toys. No discriminamos aquí, compramos de todos los juguetes.
Pero me tira pegó tu cabeza.
Ya, estos los pueden conseguir en el mercado, se los dan como 10, 20 juguetes como por 100 pesos, por eso me encantan. Y no me importa si Mikey le rompe la cabeza, como pueden ver aquí ya tiene mucha cola. As you can see here, has quite a bit of crazy glue because Mikey plays with his toys, they're not for show. Mikey juega con sus juguetes, no son nomás para mirarlos, para eso son los juguetes. Entonces en estos videos van a ver bastantes juguetes quebrados y todo, pero es porque aquí jugamos con ellos, no nomás los vemos. Ain't that right, Mikey?
Sí. Bueno, este no se quebra, solo esto es todo ropa pintado. Lo pintaron así, como Lily. Pero no se para.
No. It's Goku though.
No se para así.
Now who's this guy?
Gotenks. El niño. Gotenks.
It's Gotenks, so that's Goten and Trunks fused together.
Yeah, well, Gotenks.
Yes.
What? I think this hair on. I think I love this. Would you like this, Tira?
I would rock his hair like that if I had hair. Si yo tuviera pelo, si me pusiera el pelo así. Who's next? Oh, me encantaría tener el pelo así como este. ¿Quién es él?
Goku.
Goku, ¿cuál versión? Which version?
Saiyan 3.
Oh, Super Saiyan 3, Super Saiyan 3. You know your threes. So who's this then?
Super Saiyan 3.
Super Saiyan what?
Super Saiyan
1, 2, or 3? You just said it. Lo acabas de decir. 1, 2 o 3.
3.
Nice. Oh, uno de mis favoritos. Who's this?
I think
Frieza, 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 Frieza. Oh, this one's funny. Este es Goku Black. I love that one.
Oh, mira la cara.
Yeah.
Bastante raro, pero.
Yeah.
¿Quieres ver la cara muy raro?
Es como el Goku niño. Ese parece que agarraron un Goku de los normales y lo pintaron como no hay Goku Black disponible. Tuvieron que hacer eso. Eso nos inspiró para hacer otro Goku Black que vamos a enseñar enseguida después de estos. That actually inspired us to do a Goku Black, to actually paint one. We grabbed the Goku and painted him like Goku Black. We'll show you guys next after these.
No se para. Mira, se cayó.
That's funny. It doesn't stand.
Este fue What is good?
That's, you know his name.
Trunks.
Yeah.
Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan Trunks.
But I think it's a regular one. But no, take this.
Who's that guy?
Super Saiyan 3.
No, that's Super Saiyan 4.
Saiyan 4.
We gotta watch more. You know what? We're gonna watch GT. I decided it. I'm going against my better judgment. We're going to watch GT. No me importa lo que yo digo, lo que yo mismo digo, vamos a ver el GT. No? Okay. You're right.
Este es Super Saiyan 3.
That's Super Saiyan 1, bro. Get your Super Saiyans right.
Super Saiyan 3.
Yeah, you just messing with me, huh? You just kidding? You're funny, Mikey.
Yo creo que sí.
Can I show the camera?
Yeah.
It's Super Saiyan Blue Goku.
Yeah, the other one.
Yeah. That's cool. Estos también parecen como gummies, pero están duros. These kind of look like the gummies ones, but they're harder. This one's actually like soft though. Soft final one.
Yeah, the soft one.
Alright, so that was all of them of this version. Creo que ya es todos los de esta versión. Let's move on to the next set.
Okay.
Let's do it. Okay, so Mikey, are you ready to go with the next set of Dragon Ball toys? Alright, so these right here, estos de aquí son un poquito de mejor calidad, también son de imitación, pero ya tienen bastantes articulaciones y están mejor pintados. These are also imitation, but they're getting a little better in quality there. You can see from their face expressions and their actual paint that they are a lot better quality. So let's get to it, Mikey. Escoge el que quieras enseñar primero. Gohan. He's one of your favorite ones, huh?
Sí. Cuando miras la cara, está muy bastante, muy pirata. ¿Pirata?
Muy pirata.
Sí, cuando parece que un pirate.
He looks like a pirate.
No,
You just said he did.
but no. I think it's that. No, they're not. I think it's like Goku.
Let me see if I can make it stand. On the select key. Let's see if we can make it stand on the select key. You're right, it doesn't stand.
Pero le quitamos la capa.
Okay.
Pero Gohan está la misma, pero está muy duro como un gummy.
Yeah.
Fue Gohan.
Next. Who's this guy?
Goku.
And why doesn't his leg move, Mikey? ¿Por qué no se mueve su pierna?
Pero mira Está la...
It's just okay, fine, one of them moves. You're right.
Pero no se mueve.
Porque lo quebraste y lo tuvimos que pegar con pegamento. Because you broke it. And we had to use crazy glue. And now his leg is crazy.
Ok, fue Goku.
Alright.
Y Gohan.
Alright. ¿Y este quién es?
Mi tío es Super Saiyan.
Nice. That's what you're dressed as? Or you dressed as the Scouter version, huh?
Yeah, the Scarlet version.
Nice.
I think this is Super Saiyan more like Goku, like Gohan, anyone. But I can't see what in the game. I can't see it.
In what game? He's in all the games. I usually just go Super Saiyan Blue right off the bat.
Yeah, Super Saiyan Blue.
Yeah, Super Saiyan Blue's the best.
Yeah, the best Goku, the best Vegeta is I think it's the orange, but it's a regional.
Oh, okay. We'll show it in a minute.
It's a
Alright. Who's next? Oh, Cell.
I think the
Let me see. His legs are good. I mean, his wings are good.
yeah,
Como pueden ver, tiene mucha cola loca. It has a lot of crazy glue. We just fixed that today. Porque como les dijimos, Mikey juega con sus juguetes. They're not just for show. Mikey plays with his toys. Huh, Mikey?
It's like cool, but I don't think it's wow.
It's not like wow, it's cool. But it's not wow.
Wow, okay.
Alright. Cool.
No.
You're right. I mean, it's cool, but it's not like wow.
It's a version.
It's
original.
That's not original, you're right. It's a different version. But it's still cool though. You know, he got his spots down pat. You know, he got that on point. Fine.
Oh, you could glue this or the wing because we didn't find it.
Yeah.
I think the wing and the moon, it is free.
Nice. Who's next?
Piccolo.
Piccolo.
But I think has little hat. I think little hat.
I don't know where it is. I lost it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mikey. We'll find it. Please don't be mad. That's what I didn't want to tell you. I was hoping you didn't ask. We'll find it, okay? Alright, son. I love you. Alright. Cool. Who's next?
Goku Black.
Goku Black.
¿Y quién lo derrotó?
Lo derrotó Trunks.
No, Bills.
No. Lo derrotó Trunks. Bills derrotó a Zamasu, pero después. Pero el que derrotó a Goku Black fue Trunks con su espada. Pero tenía la energía de la Genki Dama. Remember? It was a spirit sword. It was Trunks that defeated Black Goku. And talking about Black Goku, this is the Goku we were talking about.
Sí, lo pintamos con pintura. Con pintura cuando te cometí y
Pero lo que no hicimos es usar pintura acrílica porque no encontramos. Y como pueden ver, ya se le está quitando la pintura y se veía el color del Goku original que era. As you could see, we couldn't find any acrylic paint. So the paint is starting to come off a little bit, so you can see Goku's original color. But it looked pretty cool, man. We know we even did his little earring right there. I like it. There's no Goku Blacks available, so
what's the name?
it's the next best thing.
I think it's...
Speaking of who defeated Goku Black, hablando del que derrotó a Goku Black, es Trunks.
Trunks. Este no fue Bills, solo Trunks.
Yeah.
Cuando lo juntó con la Kitindama.
Yeah.
Cuando si parezca el otro, se parezca como a Tino Haru.
Oh, yeah.
Cuando
¿Cómo enojado? ¿Enojado cómo? Show me your mad face. Your mad face. Tú, hazle enojado. Whoa, that's pretty mean. That's funny.
enojado. Pero este fue Trunks.
Nice. Y ahora ya nomás quedan estos. Que esos son como tipo Lego.
Lego.
This is, you know who this is?
A
Whis.
el amigo de Bills.
El amigo de Bills. You're completely correct.
Pero
Beerusama.
no, este no es Bills.
No, I was saying Beerusama's friend. I'm sorry, Mikey. Who is that then?
Bills-sama.
Oh, you just said it's not Beerusama. Who's this? Golden Frieza. Nice. And who's this guy? Whoa. He took his hair off.
Ay, mentira. This is mentira blue.
Nice. Let me see it. Nice. Alright, is that all of them? Alright, so let's move on to the next set, buddy.